Aujourd'hui tu dois m'écouter. Vraiment ni yama tate kotu shwana. Abiloni shaka konyena wetu banga. Jenguino fire mama, fire dad. Jenguino fire mama, fire mama. No wonder anaweza kunyonga kama wewe. No wonder now here Julian dad. Give it to me, let's start all over. Give it to me and be my lover. I could get it to me, I just been over.
That will be 30.7K. This song has their conflict, and Charles will be your rider, Ivan Massengezo, who has the first point to orientate drive for all the others. Close to 8 minutes is on the road, 12.9 kilometers to the finish. And even if it's a little bit cloudy today, not too warm maybe a thing, but don't forget, remember to stay hydrated. Grab water.